Good evening to one and all. We have discussed so many problems on star delta connection. So to verify that one, if you how much you have understood, I'm giving this one simple problem. All of you solve this problem. Okay, you must solve this problem and tell the answer. Everyone take the problem and find the resistance between A and B. I don't know which method you will apply. You can apply series, parallel, star, delta, whatever it may be. Or KVL, KCL, any method you apply. But I want the answer. That's it. I don't know which method you will apply, but I want the resistance between A and B. So you cannot apply KVL, KCL because there is no voltage source. Can't calculate the current also. So combination only you have to use, and you have to find the resistance between this point A and B in between. Here so many paths will come here. Here one junction is there, and here one junction is there, here is there. So you can consider this one, and this one, or you can consider this one and this one and this one. Like that you can consider. I don't know which method you will consider. Otherwise this one and this one, you consider this one here. Now this one you consider as common point. It looks like a star connection now. T connection means star connection it is looking now. So this one you convert into delta form. So here one resistance will come, this point to this point one, and this point to this point. Instead of this star connection, you can 1, 2, 3 ये तीनों point में एक parallel path बना सकते, means delta connection you can do that one. Screen is visible or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Will you solve this problem? How much confidently you can tell that one? I told you best simple method. 1, 2, 3. ये देखो ये स्टार कनेक्शन जैसा दिख रहे इधर this point or this point, what both are same only. This one common point. This one I will consider as common point. Here to here, this is the common point. Next either to either common point. 3 ohm, 5 ohm, 8 ohm. These all are in star connection.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
convert this one into delta connection.
7.73.
7.73. Okay, you do it. I'll check the answer. Any other answers? Any other answers? Hello? 7 point something, you got someone. That is wrong. That is wrong. I'll check the chat box also. No. Don't write your roll number in the chat box now. Someone has raised their hand. Roll number 37 and 55. Is it audible? Roll number 37 and roll number 55. Hello? They have not joined for the audio. Any other answers? Give the reply. Still you are solving means still solving. If you got the answer, you tell the answer.
हेलो
हाँ बोलो.
सर
कितने?
G37
हाँ बोलो. ऑडियो ज्वाइन नहीं हुआ था क्या तुम? Roll number 55 and 56. Still these two also, they have not joined for the audio. Yes. Tell me the answer. Anyone? Can you tell me the answer or can I explain? Anyone? You can tell the answer, otherwise I will explain. Don't waste the time. If you are ready to solve, then okay. Simply seeing the screen, sitting without doing anything means it is waste of time only. Anyone was solving or not? कोई सॉल्व कर रहा है क्या नहीं?
यस सर कर रहे हैं, एक मिनट
Okay.
वेट सर.
Okay, who is not solving? You people listen carefully. This is a circuit diagram.
9.8.
How much?
9.8.
No, sorry, sir, wrong then. Listen carefully. First, you peoples, what you have to do, you don't consider anything here now. It is clearly at the center of the circuit diagram. It is clearly looking like this is a star connection here now. See this point and this point and this point. This one you can numbering, you can number like that one. 1, 2, and 3. You can number also here now. So these three we have to convert into delta form now here now. Here to here and here to. आवाज नहीं आ रहा है? Some people. आ रहा है क्या आवाज? नहीं आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
आ रहा है सर.
So these 3 points, 1, 2, 3, you can consider here now. 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. You have to identify the values of resistance for the delta connection. This star connection, we have to convert that one into delta form here now. So first step, what we have to do, I will tell that one here. This is the star connection is there. This star connection, it is, we are converting into delta form. We are going to convert into delta form. See here, 3 into, what is this value we are identify means 3 into 8 divided by 3 plus 5, 8 plus 8, 16. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Is it audible or not?
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Audible, sir.
Then convert this one. Do the conversion. This delta star connection you have to convert into 5 ohm. 5 ohm we have kept as it is. This 6 also we have kept as it is. 4 also we have kept as it is. 4 ohm also we have kept as it is. This term we have to convert into delta connection, star to delta. 3 plus 8 plus 3 into 8 divided by this 5 ohm here now. Otherwise you do RA, RB, 3 to 5 like that, you can calculate that one. Is this correct? 15.8 answer. This one, this branch.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
3 plus 8, 11 plus 3 into 8 divided by 5. 15.8 is correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is this point we have calculated. Next, from here to here, this point to this point, we have to do the calculation here now. 3 plus 5 plus 3 into 5 divided by 8.
9.87.
9.875. You got the correct answer now. Next, here to here, this B to this point here now. 5 plus 8 plus 5 into 8 divided by 3. 26.3.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See here now. Now this star connection we have converted into delta. Then this terminals we have to remove. Here to here, 1 point we have to do at that one. One resistance, that is 9.87. This point to this point we have calculated here. Don't consider this point. Extra point है या बोल दिए तो उधर वो दोनों सेम ही है. इधर कुछ तो resistance है क्या? नहीं है ना?
sir.
No, this point and this point both are same only. Only 1 point only. It is 1 point only here. So next, here to here, one resistance is added. So these two are removed here now. This point we have added. And here to here, one resistance is added. This point we have removed here. See here, is there any other connections here now? अभी स्टार को डेल्टा कनेक्शन किए, फिर वापस ये डेल्टा को स्टार कनेक्शन करना है क्या? ऐसे किए क्या? ऐसा स्टार को डेल्टा, डेल्टा टू स्टार कनेक्शन बैठे तो नहीं होते प्रॉब्लम. Look at this one. A to B, these 2 points are same only, means it is like this only. This resistance, this is completely B only ना up to here. This point anywhere किधर भी कनेक्शन करो, ये B होते ना, ये इधर कनेक्शन किया तो भी B है, इधर भी B है, इधर भी B है. ये रेजिस्टेंस का पहले whenever you connect, that is B only. So instead of this cross, you can write this one as straightly. You can calculate, draw the diagram. Straight कर सकते इसको.
Yes, sir.
So 5 and 15.8 will be in parallel.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So you can calculate this two. You, instead of these two resistance, only one we can write down here. Next, here, this one instead of taking cross, you can connect like this straight, and these two are in parallel. ये दोनों parallel में हो सकते हैं ना? So you can reduce this one into one resistance here.
Yes, sir.
And this upper part you keep as it is same. These two make as one, and these two make as one, and that one we have drawn here. See here, 15 into 8, 15.8 into 5 divided by 15.8 plus 5. It is nothing but 3.8. We will get that one. We get the answer 3.8, and 26.3 into 4 divided by 26.3 plus 4. It is nothing but 3.49 something. You will get the answer 3.5 we have taken. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So upper part 6 ohm, 4 ohm, 9.75 we have kept as it is here now. Now listen, this much complicated diagram we have reduced into small diagram now here. So see here, this one like this we have taken. Instead of this 6 ohm, we can connect from here to here only na, 6 ohm. ऐसा डायरेक्ट कनेक्शन किया तो भी सेम, और ऐसा ट्राई इसमें रेक्टेंगुलर में आया तो भी सेम ही है ना. Both are same only. A to this point only it is connected na, 6 ohm.
Yes, sir.
So this one and this one, it looks like a delta connection. This path, A to this point, next this point to another point, one resistance. Here to this point, one more resistance is there. So this is one delta connection. Otherwise, you consider this one here, no. One, this point to this point, one resistance, this point to this point, one resistance, this one to this one here, no. 3 points are there. This is middle term branch is common for that one. This one or this one, any one path, only one loop you can consider as a delta loop. That delta loop you have to convert into स्टार लूप नाउ. ये डेल्टा लूप को स्टार को कन्वर्शन करो, नहीं तो ये डेल्टा लूप को स्टार को कन्वर्शन करो. दिस वन विल कन्वर्ट, फर्स्ट वन.
Yes, sir.
See here, we can convert here now. We can convert the diagram here now. See here, A point is there. A, I will draw one common point. I will take that one. This is the common point here now. At the center of this diagram, I will take the common point. A2, I will take that one. This resistance divided by summation of all. It will give 1.2. For the this one, 6 into 4 divided by 6 plus 4 plus 9.875. कितना है देखो? 6 into 4.
Yes, sir. 29.8.
29.8. This
Wait,
one,
wait.
1.2 should come here now.
नहीं सर 2.9 डाल रहे
2.9
नहीं डाल रहे
नहीं सर 1.2
आ रहा है ना. 6 into 4
yes sir
divided by 19.875. 1.2 आ रहा है ना. You are taking confusion then. This point को बोल रहा हूँ मैं, ये point का resistance को 6 into 4 divided by 6 plus 4 plus 9.875. 1.2 है.
yes sir
Okay. Next, this one again we will take common point, and here we will draw the star network. We will consider this one. So to consider this one, for this point, 6 ohm is connected, 9.875 is connected. 6 into 9.875 divided by summation of all these three. 6 into 9.875 divided by 6 plus 4 plus 9.875. कितना है देखो?
2.98.
2.98 है इधर. ड्रा की.
Yes, sir.
Next,
yes sir
this point star connection is 4 into 9.875. 4 into 9.875 divided by 4 plus 9.875 plus 6. Summation of all three.
1.98.
1.98. आगे 1.987 986 है तो 1.99 we have written here now. Correct है ये तीनों?
Yes, sir.
yes sir
Yes. Our aim is to calculate resistance between point A and B. A to B resistance कितना है calculation करने का. Here 1.2 plus लिख सकते हैं. Then 2.98 plus 3.8. These two are in same condition. Series में है अभी. These two
Yes,
are in
sir.
series, and these two are
Yes,
in
sir.
series. And total answer, these two answer summation and these two summation will be parallel now here now. One more diagram I will show. See here, this one. 1.2 I will keep as it is here now. 1.2, 3.8 and 2.98 are in series. So summation you do that one. That summation answer is in parallel with this two summation answer here now. 3.8 plus 2.98 parallel with 1.99 plus 3.25 here now. This is parallel plus this 1.2 we have written here now. So the answer is 4.23 ohm here. Answer is 4.23 ohm. किसी को 7 point something आया था ना, अभी चेक करो. You can check this one. Correct है अभी?
yes sir
Calculate करो. Calculate it. ये देखो, हाँ ये डायग्राम देख रहे हैं अभी, दिस वन। इधर से आगे कुछ
Yes, sir.
डिफिकल्टी है, इससे आगे कुछ डिफिकल्टी लग रहा है तो बोलो मेरे को पहला। This star connection is converting into delta and these two are in parallel. Again, these two are in parallel. After doing the parallel calculation, we'll get this one one delta connection, another delta connection. Any one connection we can do the convert into star, then we'll get the answer here now. Clear?
Yes,
Clear
sir.
है डाउट? सिमिलर प्रॉब्लम है, ये देखो सेम है ना, अभी दिया वाला प्रॉब्लम जैसे ही दिख रही है। ये स्टार कनेक्शन है, उसका आगे इधर पैरेलल में आ जाते, सेम प्रॉब्लम है। एटलीस्ट ये सॉल्व कर सकते तुम लोग, करते क्या बोलो? इसका
Yes,
पीछे
sir.
का डायग्राम और एक बार बोलता हूँ, देखो इधर, here this point is in star connection, so that one is converted into parallel, then parallel circuit, sorry, star is converted into delta, that delta connection सीरीज में कौन सा है एडिशन किए, पैरेलल में कौन सा है पैरेलल कंसीडर करके, फिर इधर एक डेल्टा है, इधर एक डेल्टा है, कौन सा भी एक डेल्टा को सॉल्व करके फिर स्टार को कन्वर्शन किए इधर, एंड वी गॉट द टोटल आंसर। सिमिलर प्रॉब्लम है, देखो सिमिलर प्रॉब्लम इज देयर।
सर वो पहले वाला डेल्टा का ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन एक बार बताओगे क्या? एक बार सिर्फ।
एक मिनट, कौन सा है?
एकदम ये सेकंड फिगर, हाँ ये वाला,
ये वाला,
हाँ
ये स्टार में है, पहला स्टार को कन्वर्शन से डेल्टा में कन्वर्शन करना है। ओके एक मिनट,
Yes, sir.
इसको एनोटेट लेता हूं मैं। ओके दिस वन, ये डायग्राम लिखा है ना तुम, इसको 1 लिखो पहला, ये पॉइंट को है ना 1 लिखो, इसको 2 लिखो, ए
Yes,
पॉइंट को, इसको 3 लिखो, सॉरी 3 और बी है इधर, रहने दो बी पॉइंट। ओके आवर एम इज टू कैलकुलेट 1b, R1b कैलकुलेशन करना है हमको, है ना, स्टार
Yes, sir.
डेल्टा को कन्वर्शन करना है। R1b इज नथिंग बट R1 प्लस RB, है ना, 3
हाँ
प्लस 8 प्लस 3 इंटू 8
yes sir.
डिवाइडेड बाय 5।
रिमेनिंग
इसका आंसर कितना आ गए? 15.8 आ गए। किधर से कनेक्शन करने का? ए पॉइंट टू ए पॉइंट करना है, दिस इज द पॉइंट एंड बी को ज्वाइंट किया है, बराबर है।
यस सर।
हाँ नेक्स्ट बी टू 2 पॉइंट, सेकेंड पॉइंट को कैलकुलेशन करो, बी टू सेकेंड पॉइंट ही अपना 5, हाँ 8 प्लस 5 प्लस 8 इंटू 5 डिवाइडेड बाई अपोजिट 3, 26.3 आए। इसको बी से सेकेंड पॉइंट को कनेक्शन करो। नेक्स्ट 1 to 2 करना है, 1 to 2 करना है तो 3 प्लस 5 प्लस 3 इंटू 5 डिवाइडेड बाई 8।
यस सर।
अभी क्लियर हो गए?
यस सर।
Okay, then solve it now. I'll give the problem, you solve it. This is the last problem of the first unit. You solve it, everyone will solve it and we'll stop that one. यार over ओवर कैलकुलेशन करने के लिए टाइम लग रहा है क्या? Is it visible or not screen?
Visible.
Not.
Okay. See, don't calculate the current and all the things. वो बोल दिए determine the load current in branch EF in the circuit shown. हमको लोड करंट की जरूरत नहीं, ओनली इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस आइडेंटिफाई करो तुम. इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ E to F, E से F बोले वो. What you are calculating first, you tell me. Any one of you. क्या कैलकुलेशन कर रहे तुम वो बोलो. इधर इतना सारे पॉइंट्स है A, B, G, C, D, E, F, G, H. What is your question? First you identify, you learn to calculate the resistance between AB. A to B resistance कितना है उतना ही identify करो. ओनली रेजिस्टेंस आइडेंटिफाई करो. ये वोल्टेज सोर्स नहीं लिया तो भी चलते. A to B, what is the resistance you have to identify. लिसन केयरफुली. ये डेल्टा को कन्वर्शन किए क्या तुम लोग कोई? Anyone?
Yes.
Have-
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. क्या?
ये डेल्टा को कन्वर्शन किए क्या?
हाँ, AED उसमें उस ट्रायंगल में AGD उस ट्रायंगल में क्या?
AGD में किए क्या? एक मिनट है, मैं ये चेक करता हूँ.
सही सिर में क्या था?
ये ऐसा है क्या?
Yes, sir.
ये फॉर्म में किए, ये रिमूव हो गए. Then these two will be in parallel.
Yes, sir.
These two will be parallel. Then again next it will be in, this is in series. ये पैरेलल में हो गए, इसको ये साथ में सीरीज हो गए, देन ये आंसर इज इन पैरेलल विथ दिस वन। कितना है आंसर बोलो?
सर A to D का 1400 आया है।
ए टू ये बी चाहिए मेरे को, ए टू बी।
A to B नहीं आ रहा है तो।
ओके बोलो अभी, ये कितना है?
8866.66।
दिस वन
यस सर।
866.67
66 म्हणजे 66 वैसा ही है।
ओके, ये आ गए। नेक्स्ट, इसको दोनों पैरेलल में हो गए, दिस टू आर इन पैरेलल। इसका
Yes,
आंसर
sir.
कैलकुलेशन करो। ये दोनों पैरेलल किए,
Two hundred 22.7.
200
22.707.
सर 317.07
देखो ये पैरेलल करने के लिए आंसर गलत गलत आ रहा है दोनों आदमी का। व्हिच वन आई हैव टू बिलीव?
317.07.
500
बोल
into
रहा था।
866.67 divided by 13 66.67
0.67.
317 is the correct answer.
Yes, sir.
317.07 ओके, ये हो गए, ये पैरेलल पाथ। नेक्स्ट, दीज टू आर इन पैरेलल। ये पॉइंट को इधर एक कनेक्शन है, इधर एक है। ये आंसर कितना है? पहला बोलो, इसका पैरेलल पाथ कितना है आंसर?
420
420।
यस सर।
Which is 420 है। Just a minute. Next, 420 into 600 divided by
सर
1020.
सर नहीं, वो वाला 1400 है, वो पैरेलल पाथ।
पैरेलल
400
this one I am asking the star को डेल्टा को कन्वर्शन किया ना, this star, this answer you tell me।
उसका 400 आया, 1400 सर।
1400। ये कितना है?
1400 आया सर।
1400
वही पूछ रहा हूँ मैंने। 1400 ओके। हाँ, इसका कितना है दोनों पैरेलल का?
420
दोनों पैरेलल का 420। ठीक है, एग्जैक्ट 420। सो 420 प्लस 317 कितना है? देखो 420 प्लस 317
737.07.
737। ठीक है। नेक्स्ट, दिस 737 व्हाट इज दिस आंसर? ये पैरेलल, इसका डेल्टा कनेक्शन का कितना आया था?
1400
दोनों 1400 आए क्या?
यस सर।
Yes,
हाँ,
sir.
इसका कैलकुलेशन करो। 1400 into 737 divided by 1400 plus 737। ये सब रिमूव हो गए ना पार्ट, ये सब रिमूव हो गए और ये दोनों सीरीज में हो गए और इसको पैरेलल में आ जाते।
सर वो 737 वो उसको पर लाता ना, AD का डेल्टा कनेक्शन के।
737 नहीं, दिस वन एंड दिस टू पैरेलल में आ गए ना, आने के बाद ये भी पैरेलल का एक ही रेजिस्टेंस आ गए। सुनो अभी दिस वन, ये दोनों को कितना है 317 है ना, ये 317 लिखा है इधर। ओके ये कंसिडर करो 317।
यस सर।
नेक्स्ट ये किधर ई पॉइंट को कनेक्शन होगा। नेक्स्ट ई का ये दोनों का एक ही रेजिस्टेंस किया ना हम। हाँ इधर इधर एक रेजिस्टेंस बना हुआ अभी। ये कितना है 420। ये 420 और इसका पहले ये पॉइंट को इधर एक रेजिस्टेंस है ना, ये डी को कनेक्शन हो गए तो क्या है, बी को कनेक्शन हो गई तो क्या है, दोनों सेम ही है ना अभी। या डी बी सेम ही है ना, इसको ऐसा एक रेजिस्टेंस बनाओ अभी। सो सब लिंक करो अभी, ये दोनों सीरीज में हो गए ना अभी।
यस सर।
दिस इज इन पैरेलल विद 1400।
मतलब 1/37.07 plus 1/4।
कितना है देखो आंसर
482.82।
482 आ गए क्या?
यस सर।
ठीक है चेक करेंगे, हमारा अभी इधर का मेथड डिफरेंट किया है। विल चेक दैट वन इट इज करेक्ट और नॉट। ये कितना है देखो L1 N1 R इक्विवेलेंट इधर है देखो 111.11 प्लस 338 449 आया इधर। उसका आंसर एंड इसका आंसर डिफरेंट हो गया। किधर तो हमारा मिस्टेक है, इधर द कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक इज हैपेंड देयर। Everything should be in the same order only. This one, this is the total resistance na 111.38. See instead of taking a series a star को delta को conversion करने में this one only he has considered as delta here no. समझ में आई? A to E one connection, next A to C, C to E, he has considered this one as delta. Leave that one, just for your understanding we have taken this problem, nothing to worry. इधर किधर तो कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक तो हो सकते पॉइंट में। दिस स्टार टू डेल्टा कनेक्शन करो इसको अभी पैरेलल, ये पैरेलल ये पैरेलल और ये पैरेलल में सबका सीरीज कनेक्शन किया तो आंसर दैट इज द मेथड इज करेक्ट। द आंसर आगे पीछे मीन्स होने दो बिकॉज द क्वेश्चन इज इटसेल्फ डिफरेंट ईयर। हमारा क्वेश्चन अलग है, हम कैलकुलेशन किए वाला अलग है। ठीक है, वो क्वेश्चन ई एंड एफ के बीच में दिया है कैलकुलेशन करने के लिए, हमने ए टू बी कंसिडर किया। सो आवर आंसर इज आल्सो करेक्ट बिकॉज वी आर कंसिडरिंग ओनली रेजिस्टेंस वी आर आइडेंटिफाइंग हियर नाउ। ही इज गोइंग फॉर द current, he is going for that one actually. So how many of you got that answer? That is correct only because according to this one here some resistances are there, here some resistances are there. See here resistance vary हो सकते हैं है ना। E to F का resistance अलग है, उसका current calculation किया। The question is different means only diagram we have kept same, the question we have change it that one. Our aim is to identify resistance between A to B here. So we have identified that one. That is over. So we'll stop here only the first unit, and only 45 students are present here now today. What is the problem with them, other people's? So we'll start the second unit without wasting the time. So first unit we have already completed the first unit. Then the second unit is completely related to the magnetic circuit. See here the DC circuit. First unit is DC circuit, DC electric circuit we have told. DC circuit means in the mobile charger some DC circuits are there, inside the mobile DC circuits are there. Somewhere we want to control the resistance, you can use the for the DC voltage for the testing purposes and all the things over there. So that is application is different. You know very well about that one. If the voltage and current you know that one, then you can calculate the resistance. If the resistance and current is there, then you can calculate the voltage. Like that according to Ohm's law, you can apply Kirchhoff current law, voltage law, you can series combination, parallel combination by studying the first unit. But that is electric circuit. Whatever we have studied in the first unit, that is electric circuit. The second unit is magnetic circuit now. Magnetic circuit means by using the magnetic field, magnet, you मालूम है ना सबको, in the childhood you have played very well with magnets, all of you. Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
क्या बोलते हैं मराठी में, क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Anyone?
Chumbak.
Okay, I don't know that one. Magnet only I will call that one here now. So all of you have used already. You may have holded that magnet. You know very well about that magnet. Because of that magnet also, so many machines, motors, all the things they are running here. But you don't know anything about that one. The magnetic field, the magnetic force is more than that one. You can operate big machineries and all the things. So that I'm not asking about that natural magnet. Whatever you have played with the magnet, that is natural magnet. But by considering the iron part and all the things, by taking some wires and wound on it, by supplying the current, that iron part or core, we are going to call that one. Iron or core part act as a magnet. Whenever the current will flow inside that one, it acts as a magnet. The surrounding to that winding or coil, the magnetic field will produce us over there. So based on that magnetic field only, the single phase transformer will operate here now. For that reason, the title they have taken magnetic circuit and single phase transformer. Magnetic circuit and single phase transformer. Okay, you will consider that natural magnet only, you consider that one. Everyone, you know very well about that one, natural magnets. If two magnets are there, you hold it, one magnet in right hand, another one in left hand. दोनों को नजदीक लेके आए तो दोनों अट्रैक्ट हो जाते हैं.
Yes, sir.
बट सम टाइम उसको आगे पीछे किया तो इसका मीन्स साइड चेंज किया तो उसका लेफ्ट वाला राइट को, राइट वाला लेफ्ट को लिया तो थोड़ा अभी ज्वाइंट करने के लिए बहुत कोशिश करते बट ज्वाइंट भी नहीं होते है ना.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
that magnet, it has two poles, one is north and another one is south pole. So opposite poles attract each other and same poles repulse each other. North to north, if you want to join, means it will not join, it will repulse. It will repulse means it will push us. दोनों joint नहीं होते. But north to south, if you want to bring nearer to that, दोनों north and south, they will attract each other and they will join together. That is the characteristics of the magnetic material or magnet, we can tell that one. Opposite poles attract each other, same poles repel each other, we can call that one here. Yes, everyone, you have studied in the physics also this one. That is natural magnet I am talking that one. And that magnet property, it is like that if you increase the temperature of that magnet, then it will loses its magnetism. It is going to lose that one. And immediately I will tell that one, it will attract the iron parts and some other parts, it is going to attract magnet. Yes, whatever the iron, aluminum, copper, everything it is going to attract. But whenever you will throw that magnet from the heighted area through a aluminum के ऊपर तुमने फेंक देते, but it will not hold immediately, because whenever it is thrown from heighted area, because of that force hit to that one, it will loses its magnetism. पहला फर्स्ट कब नीचे अभी 10th फ्लोर से नीचे गिरने के बाद it will not hold at that one magnetism. उसको पहला एक बाउंस होते, जंप होके फिर वापस अट्रैक्ट हो जाते. That is the force. Means if you hammer that one, इसको हथौड़े से मार दिया तो इसका magnetism loss हो जाते. It will, magnetism property is going to lose that one. Suppose एक मैग्नेट है, उसको दो टुकड़ा बनाया हमने. दो टुकड़ा बनाने के बाद फिर उसको और दोनों टुकड़े को सेपरेट पोल्स क्रिएट होते, साउथ एंड नॉर्थ. वो दोनों ज्वाइंट करने के लिए कोशिश करो, साउथ टू साउथ, नॉर्थ टू नॉर्थ, इट विल नॉट ज्वाइंट ओवर देयर. सो दैट इज आल्सो प्रॉपर्टी. समझ में आ रहा है ना मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ बोल के?
Yes, sir.
Just basic I am telling that one. I don't know how many of you understood. It is not there, but to push your in mind, if you are studying a magnetic circuit, at least you have to feel. For that reason I have taken that much basic here. That is called natural magnet. We are going to call that one natural magnet. I think you may have seen many videos of that one in the motor. सब घर में agriculture field में रहने दो, अभी घर में सिंटेक्स को पानी पंप करते हैं ना, वो मोटर में रहने दो, उसमें क्या रहते हैं, सिर्फ वायर का उंड रहते है ना, अंदर एक वायर का कॉइल जैसा बना के अंदर घुसे वाला रहते हैं. सो दैट वन, बट इनसाइड द कोर मटेरियल उसका है ना आयरन पार्ट रहते हैं ना मोटर का. सो इनसाइड दैट वन सम मैग्नेटिक कोर वी आर गोइंग टू टेल दैट वन. दैट कोर के अंदर हमने कॉइल बनाया है, उसको नंबर ऑफ टर्न से वाइंडिंग किए है. whenever we'll give the current supply to that one, that iron part act as a magnet and it will start to rotate. South north poles we have created inside that motor. Poles रहते south and north, big depending on the current direction, it is going to create the north and south poles. Inside rotating part also it is a wire wound, it has some iron parts. North के पास north गए ना, it will repels करते, and south के पास गए तो attraction repulsion. This will process, continue this process and it will start to rotate. Motor ये rotation start होते हैं because of that magnetic force produce over there. Understood? So that is artificial magnet we are going to call that one here. We are making the iron as a magnet here now, artificial, by making the wound on the iron part, it will act as a magnet. Whenever the current will flow, on that time only it will act as a magnet. After removing the supply, it will just iron part. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the property of that one here now. So in the second unit, the magnetic circuit and single phase transformer, two parts are there. Actually, three parts are there here. Three, this first 2.1 and 2.2 are both are same only here now. So in this one, magnetic circuit, I told that one, what do you mean by magnet? Properties we are going to study. How the flux, magnetomotive force, what is the reluctance, flux density, magnetic field strength. These all definitions we are going to study here. Once we have studied the definition, then we have to compare with electric circuit. Abhi first unit or second unit ko compare karna hai. Electric circuit and magnetic circuit we have to compare here. The comparison we are going to do that. After that one, this magnetic material connected in series means what will happen? Connected in series with air gap, what will happen? Magnetic series magnetic circuit with air gap, and magnetic leakage and fringing we are going to study here. Magnetic leakage and fringing also. Leakage means how the leakage will occur, how the fringing will occur. This is the first unit, completely related to the magnetic circuit only. Magnetic field कैसे generate होते हैं and all the things here. Second one, electromagnetism. This is related to the only magnet, pure magnet we are going to call that one. This one, electromagnetism. Whatever I told that one, the iron part is wounded with a wire. उसको करंट कौन सा डायरेक्शन में फ्लो होते हैं, फोर्स कौन सा डायरेक्शन में प्रोड्यूस हो जाते हैं, मोशन कैसे कौन सा डायरेक्शन में रहते, दैट इज वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी. This one here, the Faraday has invented that one. There are two laws are there, Faraday's first law and Faraday's second law. Both the laws we are going to discuss, and instead of that one, the Lenz has derived one more law, that is Lenz law we are going to consider. That Lenz law means what? And self-induced EMF and mutual induced EMF we are going to discuss here now, that is self-inductance and mutual inductance. So this 2.1 is completely related to the magnetic circuit. 2.3 is electromagnetic induction we are going to discuss here now, or electromagnetic circuits here. And third one is single phase transformer. Three parts are there here now. Single phase transformer, the working principle, construction, EMF equation we are going to study here now. The transformer we are going to use, suppose अभी घर में सबका घर में है मोबाइल, करंट कितना आते वोल्टेज 230 वोल्ट आ जाते हैं. हमारा मोबाइल को कितना चाहिए, 5 वोल्ट चाहिए. उसके अंदर छोटा सा एक ट्रांसफार्मर यूज किया हुआ है, 230 to 5 वोल्ट ट्रांसफर करते हैं, उसको नेक्स्ट रेक्टिफायर यूज करके डीसी को कन्वर्ट करते हैं. सिंपल टेक्नोलॉजीज आर देयर. आई कैन गिव द रियल टाइम एग्जांपल्स आल्सो, वी विल डिस्कस इन दैट वन हियर नाउ. सो दिस इज द introduction of or your syllabus for the second unit here now. This is the syllabus here now. So see here, one magnet I have considered here. This is the magnet. Yes.
Yes, sir.
This is the magnet here now. Surrounding that area, some lines are there. Flux lines we are going to consider here now. Surrounding that one here now. इधर और एक नजदीक मैग्नेटिक आयरन पार्ट कुछ तो लाया तो ये अट्रैक्ट हो जाते हैं. Yes, aluminum, iron parts and all the things. It has north pole and south pole. Two poles are there. The force will, the flux lines, we are going to force of lines, it will always outside the magnet. Magnet से बाहर north to south flow हो जाते. Inside the magnet south to north flow हो जाते. This is a property of the magnet we are going to call. North to south it will flow here, no? And these will not interact each other. एक के ऊपर एक नहीं रहते. इसको एक के बाजू ऐसा very small space it will take. And it is ये है ना, it will not shorted. Means short period इधर तक ही नहीं है. It is closer conducting path. North to south it is connected here now, like this. North to south. So like this, surrounding area, how much, wherever the magnetic effect will occur, that effect we are going to call as magnetic field. इधर किधर मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट फील होते हैं हमको, कुछ तो आयरन पार्ट नजदीक ले गए तो अट्रैक्शन हो जाते, दैट इज मैग्नेटिक फील्ड वी आर गोइंग टू कॉल दैट वन. Surrounding the flux lines wherever connected to from north to south, that is magnetic field we are going to call that one. The number of lines, the lines of force which will flow from north to south, that is magnetic flux we are going to consider here. We are going to call that one as magnetic flux here. The ability of to produce this magnetic force or lines, that is called MMF we are going to call that one. Magnetomotive force produce karte. This is force lines. Lines of force or flux we are going to call. That is the ability to produce this one is the magnetomotive force we are going to call that one. In the electric circuit, we know very well about that one. EMF means voltage, electromotive force. Yes?
Yes, sir.
EMF means voltage. Okay. But here magnetic circuit is there, magnetomotive force bolte hain. Okay. In the electrical circuit, current will flow. Current flow hote na, one point to another point. Here flux will flow from one point to another point here. Flux will flow here. Yes. And the opposition occurs to opposition to the flow of flux which will occur, that one we are going to call as reluctance we are going to call that one. In the electric circuit, the opposition occur to the current. Current को opposition कौन सा रहते?
Resistance.
Resistance है, इधर reluctance use करते. So EMF electromotive force, here magnetomotive force. That is electrical field बोलते उसको, wherever the current will experience, here the magnetic field बोलते. Current density है, magnetic density है, sorry, flux density है. So current is equal to flux. So current form is in the magnetic circuit, flux, EMF, MMF, resistance, reluctance. Like that, some parts are there. We'll discuss each. Only definition is there. Only definitions are there. We'll discuss in the next class. These all the definitions we'll discuss in the next class. If anyone you want to take the this one, you can take that one. Syllabus you know down. Syllabus if you know, then easily you can write down. You can do that one. I will call the rule absent numbers. Just a minute. Rule number 10, rule number 6, rule number 18, 22, 28, 33.
10 is present.
Just a minute. मैं complete करने दे पहले. 33, 42, 44, 47, 50, 51, 52, 53, 59, 60, 62, 64, 65, 71. बोलो अभी कौन है?
The 10 is present.
10 लेट ज्वाइन हो गए ना तुम?
68 sir.
50?
68.
68 प्रेजेंट ही है ना, 71 बोल रहा हूँ. नेक्स्ट रोल नंबर 10, जल्दी ज्वाइन होना है.
Yes, sir.